Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you? I hope hopefully all of you are in a good health. Now, we will learn English study about personal letter material. Selamat pagi anak-anak semuanya. Semoga kita dalam keadaan sehat walafiat. Amin. Sekarang kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris dengan materi surat pribadi. Personal letter are letter you write to people you have already known well or been familiar with, such as family member, friends, classmate, or fan friend. Surat pribadi adalah surat yang kita tuliskan kepada seseorang yang sudah kita kenal baik, seperti contoh kepada keluarga, teman-teman kita, teman sekelas, atau kepada sahabat karib. Do you know the purpose of personal letter? Apakah kamu tahu maksud dan tujuan dari surat pribadi? First, to tell a good news. Yang pertama adalah menceritakan berita baik. Second, to tell about experience or activities. Untuk menceritakan pengalaman dan kegiatan. Third, apologizing or giving advice. Meminta maaf dan memberikan nasihat. Asking for help. Memberi bantuan. And then, the generic structure of personal letter, dan beberapa susunan dari surat pribadi. First, address or date. Yang pertama adalah alamat atau tanggal. Second, greeting, salam pembuka. Third, body, isi. Closing, penutup. Signature, tanda tangan. And then, their meaning are: number 1, address and date. The heading include your address and date. Yang pertama adalah menyertakan judul, alamat, dan tanggal. Second, write the heading in upper right hand. Judul ditulis di sebelah kanan atas. Third, line up the leading edge, stop at the margin line. Berbaris tepi judul, berhenti di garis margin. Number 2, greeting atau salam pembuka. Sometimes we call it salutation. Kadang-kadang kita sebut juga sebagai salam pembuka. For example, hello, dear my friend. Number 3, body atau isi. The content of the letter, di mana ini merupakan isi dari bagian surat. Number 4, closing atau penutup. Are at the last part, the source phrase. Dan di bagian ini menunjukkan frase terakhir. Number 5, signature. This the place where you write your name and signature. Biasanya tuliskan nama kemudian tanda tangan. And this is the example personal letter. Jakarta, 22 March 2021. To my friend Kina in Medan. Hello, how are you, friend? I hope hopefully you are fine. I'm writing this letter to tell you that I really miss you. Do you miss me too? I have planning one to holiday to your place since this week I was given leave from the company, where I want to invite you to visit tourist attraction in your area. where we will go around the city, buy bus tour, and enjoy the specialties that exist in your area and buy souvenir. I really can't wait for a vacation to your area, and I hope that with this holiday I feel satisfied. Your best friend, Rini. Ya, itulah contoh dari surat pribadi. Dan sekarang, see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.